is sought out.
Deko machwalo ne skunde omenda kaachiel kod chike matayo chenro mag sikunde oyangi kaka moko kuom gigo mathiro dongruok e sekta mar somo. Jaod bura ma Naivasha Jane Kihara owacho ni midhiero gi hinyo okenge manosego kuom higni mathoth. Omedo ni deko chwalo omenda ne skunde mag piny owacho oserucho chenro mag somo e skundego. Kihara nowacho ni chike ma piny owacho keto sani medo mana thiro chenro mag somo e gwenge ma pachoka.
Esther mahali alipo
because of the official commissioning
wengine wote.
It is sad because we hear complaints all over. They are not getting capitation in time. When it comes, it's not enough. It's not for everybody. Those are things that we need to establish so that when we complain officially. But what is happening to our education system these days is unfortunate because the English said, if it's working, don't fix it. Now, our system was working. I don't know why the government or the president wants to do other things.
Kuna zenye shule zingine saa hii zimekuwa hata zikipokea shilingi 87 ambao ni kitu ambacho hata unashindwa zitaweza kufanya kazi gani kutoka from the national government. Lakini tukikuwa na huu mgao ukue katika constituencies, sub counties na pia at least kukue na ufadhili kidogo kutoka from the national government, tutarahisisha hii mambo na masomo